Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your rewards from the pink treasure chest in Heartopia Colorfuls event. Okay guys, let's get into it. If you want to claim the reward from the pink treasure chest, you need to visit your neighbor's house like this, because here is the important part. You cannot open your own pink treasure chest. Instead, you'll need to visit another player's house and interact with the treasure chest they have placed. Likewise, the other players can visit your house and open the treasure chest that you have placed. Okay, and I'm going to claim the reward from this player's pink treasure chest. All right, and let's see. Oh, I got this Perolina powder. Okay, and that's very simple. If you want to claim more rewards, just visit the other player's house and then click the pink treasure chest if they have placed it. Okay, seems like this person doesn't have the pink treasure chest. I don't know. And okay guys, that's how you can claim rewards from the pink treasure chest in Heartopia Global event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!